Welcome to Vasha Oman 4x4. I'm creating this video for the Ras Al Hamra Off-Road Adventure Club or ARC members. We will talk today about the how to redress and clean the injector. Normally, most of the car they have same injectors, same way of redressing and cleaning them. So I did for the Washak my truck since COVID-19. This is the situation, no movement. So instead of sitting and doing nothing, I thought let's start do some repair in the cars. I started with the head gasket, changing all the head gasket and manifold gasket. So same time I did a job for the injector cleaning. This guy here. Okay, this is the injector cleaning. So I'll show you how I will clean and reduce that. You can see this new O-rings, what's called downside O-ring, and as well we change the filter inside. The filter is the new one. This if you go to the local market, any garage for repairing the injector, they will charge you about one injector 3 real I think, and if you are lucky, okay, and they will only clean the inside. They will put liquid and in the machine they will clean and remove whatever dust, whatever inside, but they will not change O-rings for you. And this time, after time, these O-rings get hard and get leaking. Some of that get damaged. So it's better whenever you do some big job in your car and you are going to reach the injector, it's better you change the O-rings and filter of this injector. I just made a calculation because I'm in Oman, not in America. America, you will get this Redress kit about $20, and once you ship it from there, it will cost you $30. COVID-19, thank you. Okay, so it will reach here. It will cost you about $50, and I know some of the vehicles this type of Redress kits available in Oman, but for my discovery too I didn't find, so I ordered it from USA eBay. Almost the same cost of the when I will take it for the cleaning the injector. So in that price I did cleaning as well, I changed the O-rings as well. But here once you do this the same price the cleaning, they will not change the O-ring for you. You need to buy the O-rings separately and filter as well if you want to change the filter. But it's better you change the filter, O-ring, and clean it by your own. It will be good, and I think it is cheaper. Okay, watch the video. Thank you. You want player, 9-volt battery, fuel injector seal kit, including the filter, airbag, hair cleaner, O-ring remover, and this as well. Okay, help of your wife, these things, plus of course the injector. Okay, first you need to remove the old O-rings. Let's do it. Okay, this top cover you need to just break it, no problem. Okay, you got it. Let's remove this, and this valve will easily will come out, this o-ring. Okay, once you're done, you need to clean up this area. Okay, let's do this first. I got some little contact cleaner, just little bit. This, just little around inside. Okay. Clean up these areas. Once you're done, a little more. Use this little bit, just you see small holes, just slightly you feel that you are there. That's all. You don't need to push this, otherwise you will damage it. Got it? Now the most difficult part of this, removing the filter which is inside. Okay, use this. You just need to feel it. You don't need to tight it very hard, because you first make the area loose, then slowly there's a rubber as well that will come out, then you will get the ring out. See this piece of rubber, this one you need to try 2-3 times continuously, then it will come out. Yes, see, this is the rubber. Sorry, this is the filter. You will put this new filter. You need to slightly, very little oil in this area. Okay, and you put it inside here. Slowly make it clear, balance, and slightly let it sit all sides together. Once it sit inside, just something like this is coming little out, so I'm using this one because it will push it little down. Put it there, and I'll use this slightly. You just put your finger here, and to feel it, it is inside. That's all. This is done. Filter is changed. Now we'll check about this injector is working or not. So we have 9 voltage battery. Just put these two wire. Okay, just hear the sound, tick tick, that's enough. Yeah, sounding, so it means this is working fine. We will put now o-ring here. It will go easy way. Okay, we'll put o-ring other side. This is done, and this is the holder, o-ring holder or whatever, I don't know. Let's see, some liquid is here, we'll clean it. Okay, that's fine. And just this one, push it slightly inside. Okay, this is done, and you will check it by moving. That is moving around, so it means fine, everything is fine. So this is how you done the job. This injector is ready to go. Okay, now it is time to clean the injector from inside. Let's prepare a cleaning tool. Okay, you need a tape. This is carburetor cleaner. Just put this tape on it. Make it a thick is the size of the injector, so it should fit in the injector, and then it will be fine. I think this is enough. Let's check this. Yes, it is fit here. Okay, remember your 9-watt battery. You connect this 9-watt battery. Okay, be careful, these two I will not touch. Now this is how you will clean the injector, and do the same for the other remaining injectors. Thank you.